Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video, we are going to fix the redirects virus issue on our Google Chrome. So it redirects in the website in a different website which you don't recognize and force you to check the website. So in order to fix the issue, open the Google Chrome, go to three dots and let me open it into the incognito mode. Go to three dots there and thereafter go to setting. And on the left hand side scroll it down and first we will reset all the setting here. So click on reset setting and reset setting to default. Click on reset setting and bookmark history saved password would not be affected, so we can easily reset our browser to the default. Once this setting is done, after that we need to look for this option which is extensions, and also you need to remove all the extensions from there and check if your issue is solved or not. Your issue should be solved with these two methods. Okay, if still not solved, we have the another fix for you. So let me go to again this option. Let me cut this option again and go to same options. Go to about Google Chrome and make sure you are choosing the updated Google Chrome. Yes, this is also important. After that scroll it up and we can close from here. We can also go to this option, go to history and delete all the history from the Google Chrome, clear browsing data, and go to advanced options. You should be getting the options like basic option you are getting. Okay, select all time and reset the password. Only leave the passwords and other sign in data and reset all the browsing history. Thereafter close it, and if still not solved, we can go to control panel and we will remove the unwanted programs from there. Go to view by icons and select here the programs and features and uninstall the program which you don't know and which you haven't installed it. Simply uninstall it, delete the data, and some software cannot be visible here, so I will show you other way to remove those programs and apps as well from there. So we need to close this and check out all the software one by one. After that go to this option, search bar, type for add and remove program, open add and remove programs. Once you open it, look for the apps and website as well, not a website, programs. Like if I don't use this program or the app, simply click on that and uninstall it, and if there is any suspicious app, you can simply uninstall it from there. You can browse it one by one. And the last option what you can do is you can also remove the Google Chrome from your programs and feature. Remove it simply and reinstall it. Your issue will be fixed. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.